Hey gang, Puppy here. Caffeine BS for July 14th, 2019. It is freaking hot. And while we're baking, I understand from the Gulf Coast towards New England is getting wet. More rain for that part of the country. Oh joy. Flooding. That's gonna screw up a whole bunch of people's lives. As for me, I got up early this morning and chopped up half a peach tree. It broke in half yesterday in the afternoon, sometime between 2 and 6 p.m. I didn't hear it. Wife went out to check the mail. Immediately, I'm at fault. Yeah, And Gizmo, our Chihuahua, has died. He has gone to the great fire hydrant in the sky. And now Poncho doesn't seem to understand that he can't blame it on any other dog now because he's the only dog. When he feels the fly swatter on his butt, he'll get to know, won't he?